I'm making sweet potato pudding. I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. It's my grater, my handheld grater. And this is what sweet potato looks like for those who don't know. So moving along, I have my nutmeg. I'm just going to put about a half a teaspoon of it. And I have a measuring eye for that. Then for the cinnamon, around about the same. A half a teaspoon. And vanilla, I would put a teaspoon, complete teaspoon. Okay, that's perfect. Then I'm gonna add my flour. This is a cup of flour right here. Cup of flour. We just roll it in to this mixture. My sweet potato. And I also grated a piece of yam to go with that. It's pretty good. Let's add sugar to this mixture right here. This is a half a cup of sugar. You know what? I'm not going to use all of it. No way. I'm going to use a quarter cup of sugar. Yeah. I don't want it too sweet. No. That should be enough. All the spices and everything, that should be enough. Okay, so I have my sweet potato mixture right there. Okay, so now I'm going to add some unsweetened shredded coconut. Okay, so let's see. This bag holds 12 ounces. So I'm going to do about a half of it, 6 ounces. That should be good. Perfect. Alrighty now. Let's see. Okay, the ingredients will be in the description. Okay, what do we have here? She is ready. They say the proof is in the pudding. Okay, so this is it. She's out. I'm gonna cut and see what it looks like. Let's take a look. Let's look on the inside. I don't know. I think I may have overdosed on coconuts. Okay. That's what the inside looks like. Let's do it up close. Hold on. Up close. Up close. Too close. Alright, now I'm going to taste it. This actually tastes very good. This tastes good. No question. I like it. This tastes very good. I'll put a piece on the plate here so you can see. Hold on. This is my potato pudding. There it is. Tastes good. Lot of coconut inside here though.